second grade mathematicians. Today for math, our lesson is going to be all about place value. So the first thing I want to share with you is our learning target. We always start a math lesson with a target so that we know what we're going to be learning today. And today our target is, I am learning to understand place value. Our number system is made up of 9 digits. And we have to understand how we use those digits to understand place value. So the whole time you're listening today, be thinking about place value. In math, we have digits that make up our numbers. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 as the digits that we use in our number system. So when we say that a number is a 2-digit number, that means something to mathematicians. And let me show you what that means. If I have 25, I have a 2-digit number. I have a 2 and I have a 5. And that 2 is in a very specific spot that makes it hold the place or have the value of 20. So when I look at the number 25, I can also think of 25 as 2 groups of 10 and 5 ones. In our classroom, we were doing lots of counting. In fact, we counted all the way up to 1,000, which is a 4-digit number. Now, when I get back to thinking about 25 being a 2-digit number, that means that I have 2 10s and 5 ones. 2 10s and 5 ones. And we often think about organizing those in a picture. So we might count with something like popsicle sticks, and we made our bundles. Remember when we made our bundles in class? So we have 2 10s, and then I have my 5 ones, my individual sticks that didn't quite make a brand new 10 bundle. I can also, on my whiteboard, draw 2 10s and 5 ones, so it looks a little something like this. We use, in second grade, sticks to represent our 10 bundles, just like I had my popsicle stick bundle like this for one 10 bundle. Remember, there's 10 hiding inside there, so it doesn't represent 1 anymore. It's 1 10. And then I had my single popsicle sticks, and we often draw that picture with dots. So now I've represented the number 25 with 10s and 1s. This is a 2-digit number. I can also do this hard work with a 3-digit number. For example, I could have the number 132. And just like we did with the number 25, I could represent this number as 100 because it has a 1 in the hundreds place. I could say 3 10s because it has a 3 in the tens place, and 2 1s because it has a 2 in the ones place. If I were to draw a place value picture to match this, it would look like this. A box or a square would represent the 100, and that means that there would be 10 10s inside. And then I would have my 3 10 sticks and my 2 1s to make the number 132. So boys and girls, in your work this week, you will see some more work that we get to do with place value. And this activity is called Place Value on Wheels. The first one, it asks you to think about those numbers in expanded form. And when we look at numbers in expanded form, we think about the place value that we were just talking about. So if I have a number like 56, which is the example given in the first problem, the place value, this is a 2-digit number. So I have a 5 is the first digit and a 6 is the second digit, making the number 56. I can think about expanded form and writing what those place values represent. The 5 in 56 represents the 50, or the 5 10 sticks that would be in the number. I also have 6 ones in the ones place. And I could draw the number 56 with my place value blocks, just like we were talking about at the beginning of the video. So your job on this part of the activity is to think about these 2-digit numbers in expanded form. You can also do expanded form with 3-digit numbers, like 132. I could also write that number as 100 plus 30 plus 2. This number represents the hundreds place, this number represents the tens place, and this number represents the ones place. When I put those 3 numbers together, I end up with a 3-digit number, 132. Down at the bottom of the paper, you're going to be looking more at what place value those numbers have. In 581, it will ask you if the 5 is in the ones place, the tens place, or the hundreds place. And your job is to circle the appropriate one. All right, boys and girls, in your math packet, it's the one that says Unit 6, Module 1. The practice pages that we talked about today are the place value on wheels. Make sure that you upload a video to Class Dojo to show your teacher what you did. Or if you don't want to do a video, you can also just take a picture of your work and let them know that your brain has been stretching its math muscles. Have a great day.